Hi guys, Miss Redican here. So we're going to be doing water testing of Lake Hawthorne. And here we go. So we have our data table here. I have the water sample that I collected from the lake and have all the test strips. And we're going to go through each one. Okay, so alkalinity is a measure of, the lake's ability to neutralize acids. So let's take a look. And basically what this is, we're matching. So this matches pretty closely right there. And the reading on that is 40 ppm. So let's fill in our data table. And that is less than the safe limit, so that makes it safe. Water hardness is determined by how much calcium and magnesium is present in the water. So we have our scale and our test strip, and somewhere, yeah, I think that's pretty much a match there. And let's take that reading. That is 100 parts per million for the hardness. Ideally, you want it under 50. So in this criteria, it would be not safe. Chlorine. Chlorine is often used as a disinfectant. And that's a match right there. You guys can see that match. And that is 0 ppm. So that would be underneath the safe limit. Copper. Water absorbs copper as it leaches from like pipes, and a lot of the homes near this lake do happen to have copper. Okay, and lining this up, you can see that. It's pretty much a match there. And that's 1.3. Okay, so it is at the limit. It's still safe, but it's not over the limit. Nitrates. Nitrates, people use pesticides to get rid of bugs and things in their lawn. Okay. Sometimes even weed killers, things like that. So nitrates. Here's our nitrates. You can see there's a match. And the reading on that is 0. So that's good. It means not a lot of runoff from their people's lawns into the lake, which is nice. Okay, nitrates. And we have our test strip. We do our match. And the reading on that is also 0 ppm. Oh, sorry, wrong. Cut and paste. Back, there we go. And it's under, so it's safe. Okay, phosphorus. Phosphorus in the form of phosphate, laundry, detergents, fertilizers, things like that. Again, you would get that as runoff from people's homes into the lake. So phosphates we have here in this matching right there. Okay. Okay, and to record that, that is 3 parts per million. Ideally, you want it under, so this one is not as safe. And lastly, iron. When rain falls, snow, we've had a lot of snow melting. Okay, if there's iron in the soil, iron in the rocks in the soil, it will show up in your lake. And here we go. We have our iron test strip. And again, we're going to do our match. Okay, that's a match right there. And that reading is iron, 0. It is safe. Okay, so let's take an overall last look. Overall, the quality of the water is very good. We have 2 that sort of stand out. Hardness, calcium and magnesium ions, they're okay. I'm not drinking the water, so I would say yes, it's an unsafe level, but it's not at a toxic or harmful level. And the phosphates, this is something definitely to look into. That means that people uh, water from their laundry, putting too much fertilizer on their lawns, and that's something that our the people around the lake can look into as a homeowners association, and hopefully make some adjustments there so that by summer that's a little bit lower. Okay, okay. Get ready to make your claim evidence reasoning. Is it okay for me to swim in this lake? What do you think? Okay, that's all.